Oh, there we go. Finally. Oh! Alright guys, well, I'm definitely not the brightest. So the last time I came here, I accidentally forgot my tackle boxes at home. This time I intentionally took them out because I had planned on buying some nightcrawlers from Walmart that's near here and fishing with those, but I left my wallet at home. So I'm just have a bag of assorted soft plastics and I'm going to use those to fish and hopefully get on something. I don't have much faith though, but we'll see. Alright, so hopefully I'm somewhat in frame. I'm kind of in a difficult fishing position, but the place where I wanted to start, somebody was casting at, so I moved over here where this downed tree is, and since the water level is so low, I can... You gotta be kidding me. First cast, and I'm snagged. Oh, that's great. Either broke off or... Oh, got off. Nice. Well, hopefully we can get onto some fish today after making that bonehead move, man. I still can't believe I forgot my wallet. I'm also fairly certain that on the way to this spot I scared off all the fish that were here. So a couple things working against me. Alright, so spot number one produced nothing, not even a single nibble. You can see some bluegill swimming in the water down there. Maybe I can get one of them to bite this. Oh wow, something big over there. There we go. Oh, finally. Whew. Alright, finally just got fish number one. Nice little bluegill. Completely engulfed the lure. That probably scared everything off. But at least it wasn't a complete failure today. Oh, there we go. Woo! All right, fish number two. Another bluegill. All right, so the first spot I had a heron. I just missed it. All right, guys, so it started off slow, but it's been about 25 minutes and I have 2 bluegill in, which is more fish than I thought I would be able to catch today. But let's keep it going. Well guys, that's gonna do it. Give it my best shot. The next time I come here, I'm coming back with worms, and I hope to have more success But anyways, this should be a quick video to edit because I did not catch that much fish, and hopefully I will catch you on the next one. Take care.